Would you recommend this scene study class to others?
Yes, absolutely, I would.
Yes, and I already have done so.
Absolutely. Yeah, no, it's been a really, really valuable opportunity.
I do think that your approach is probably like top. Yeah.
And I feel what you brilliantly did was push me out of my comfort zone every single class, every single week. And I felt, I just felt really, really challenged.
I really appreciate that you spend a lot of time with everyone.
In a world where everything is so rushed and the acting industry that is just so crazy sometimes, it's really, really good to have that sense of community and to do the work together.
Watching other actors develop, I think that's amazing. Seeing them, because you don't see yourself that well, I think it's kind of difficult to see the progress you've made, but you can see the progress of others. You see them on day 1 and you see them on day 4, day 8, and I think, yeah, that's just amazing.
I'd say the depth that you could go to, given the time you get on each scene, really allows you to just come at it from lots of different angles, and by the end of each scene you have something that is ready, something that has been mined and carved and is a piece of work that you can be proud of.
What would you say to someone who's considering taking this class?
Do it.
Take it. You get small group size, which is amazing. Detailed work. You're challenged, and the selection of material is very thoughtful.
Jump. Do it.
Just do it. Take the class and then take it again. Just do it.